Count. Hi, Tai Tai. Can you count those? Can you count Sissy's fingers? Ready?
1.
What's this one?
B.
No. 1.
1, 2.
Very good. Give me 5. Okay. Can you do this?
1, 2, 9.
1, 2. Good job. Give me 5. Can you do 4? Let's see. 1.
1, 2. Boy.
No, 3.
3, 4. Boy.
Give me 5. Yeah, that's not Sissy. Good job.